Good morning, everyone. I'm Shirley. I'm from BLUETTI Market Department. I'm Market Director. So I'm very honored and happy to introduce some BLUETTI CNI products and the system. So in the following, I will talk about three experts. One is the how to see the CNI energy involving the phase. And then the second, I will talk about BLUETTI sustainability strategy. And the last one, I will talk about the BLUETTI key R&D technology in the next stage. So let's come back to the first topic about the current global CNI energy storage market involving the global CNI energy storage is entering a very rapid development phase driven by energy transition policies, carbon neutrality goals, and the rising energy costs. So the CNI users now no longer only looking for the power backup, and they are seeking energy independence, cost optimization, and the long-term operation releases. Energy storage is becoming a core infrastructure, and also it has been transited from a passive storage unit to a core infrastructure, and also become to the strategic assets which actively to support the grid, the power grid, rather than auxiliary system. So I think the CNI energy system nowadays has entering a very accelerated phase. So the second, I want to talk about something about BLUETTI sustainability strategy. Sustainability is embedded for BLUETTI, the whole strategy from the production to the product design. We enable the business and to access the reliable renewable energy. Our priorities including improving energy efficiency, in extending system life cycle, reducing environmental impact, and supporting the global transition towards low carbon energy strategies. And we also very care the production environment, and also we use the environmental components and the hardware design and the architecture design for using all environmental components to do the design, the products. So we can say BLUETTI sustainability is run through the whole production and the products. And another, I want to mention that our BLUETTI also invest our products and something to ESG activities. For example, we have done the LOFT project in Africa. We call it Lighting a Family in Africa. And we have launched this project from 2 years ago until now. So it means BLUETTI, we have invested a lot, not only products for some ESG projects for global users. And then I want to say something about our R&D technology for the next stage. According to the industry requirements, the solid state technology and the sodium-ion battery technology have been developed more and more popular and will be adopted by more and more companies because the solid state battery technology, it has a higher density and also very good thermal stability instead of traditional liquid electronic lights. So I think in the following years, the solid state battery will be more and more adopted by the energy storage system. And the other one is the sodium-ion battery is also become popular. Our BLUETTI last year in November, we launched our first sodium-ion battery cell energy system. It can be used in very, very low temperature environment because the sodium ion in raw materials has some features. For example, they have a very abundant raw materials in global and also very low cost. And also it can features with the low temperature, even used in the environment below the temperature 200 centigrade. So it's a very good raw material for battery cell. And also in the following years, some very big capacity battery cell also will be used. For example, some more than 500 ampere hours battery cell, and also even more than 600 ampere hour battery cell will be used in more and more energy storage system. It can be enhanced the energy density and also the stability and also the reliability. And also the other one I want to mention about the globalization capability and also the localization, because in my opinion, different countries have different customers, and also different customers has different requirement. So if we can offer different localization service, including not service, also about the local sales, local marketing, and the local delivery, which can attract more and more customers and also end users to cooperate with us, because we can do very timely service, local service, and also very timely local delivery. And also for the globalization capabilities, like our BLUETTI, we have set up more than 20 global services. And also we have set up more than 50 warehouses in the overseas countries. For example, in Europe, now we are in Europe, so let's focus on Europe market. BLUETTI, we have set up our sub-company and service center and how to say, the warehouse in UK, in Italy, in Germany, in Netherlands. So I think for BLUETTI, we can do very local and timely service, delivery, and marketing activities for Europe customers, and also as well as global customers.